What's up, guys? Welcome back to my video. Today, I just trolled my cousin in Minecraft. Yeah. So I got full geared up. Almost full geared up. But, he did not know it was coming. He thought this was going to be a peaceful video. A peaceful server. But, little did he know, I, led him on a wild goose chase to, like, nowhere. And then I died. And he didn't die because he had a parrot. And, he had a parrot, so he didn't die. And then he was lost. And then 180 got on, and then we TP'd him here, died, kept killing him, stuff like that. It was pretty funny.
Yeah, it was pretty fun. It was hilarious. And if you're watching this, Green.
Yeah, Green, if you're watching this, it was hilarious.
Yeah, it was so hilarious.
But yeah, we got horses. Mine is, 180 said, this is mine. 180 said this one is good because of all the hearts, and it's super fast. This is probably my first best horse I've ever had. Not gonna lie. And now the server's really laggy. Okay. This server is really laggy. But,
And Green, if you're watching this.
yeah, we got this wheat farm, sugar cane. No. Another wheat farm, cow farm, which I can show you how it works. So you breed them, they do a baby, or they're supposed to, it drops down here, and then they grow up, you hit this, lava comes out, and they die. Hey creeper, make another Fletcher for sticks. Make another stick guy. And we got our enchantment table. 180. And we got a cactus farm. We got a nether portal. The worst nether portal I've ever seen.
Yeah, it's the worst nether portal.
Because I can show you why.
It's the worst.
Oh, way under lava. And yeah, you kind of have to parkour to get down. Yeah. Really annoying. But there's someone's dog is in here. But yeah, I can show you where our villagers are. I'm not gonna show you where our base is though. Yeah, dying lag, but look what we have done. This used to be filled with lava. Our villagers are right in here. Luckily, they're breeding theirself. And this guy has full diamond. So I'm gonna aim for these boots and these pants. So we had to light this place up because a zombie came in here and almost killed one.
Yeah, it almost killed it. I mean, not kill somebody. Do you have any wood?
No. You know what, that's, I think, gonna be it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, post notifications, yes. Don't forget to do all that. Don't forget to check out my other videos and stuff like that. And do you have anything to say, Creeper?
No.
Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe, post notifications. Don't forget to check out everyone else's channel, especially Green's channel, because he did a short of us trolling him. So don't forget to like, subscribe, post notifications. I know I already said that already, but peace.